What if I told you that the easiest way to make money online is actually through YouTube? Wait, before you click off this video, I want you to hear me out.
What the fuck? Damn!
Because this could be that best opportunity you have been waiting for to turn your skills into money. Hi, my name is Coach Emilia David, and I help people make money online. If this sounds like what you are interested in, please kindly help me by subscribing, click on the notification button so that whenever I upload videos like this, you will always be among the first to get notified. So as I was saying, YouTube is one of the best online platforms where you can make cool cash. And one thing I love so much about YouTube is that it's a long-term payment platform where your videos, your evergreen videos, can always get paid. While you are sleeping, your videos will be generating income for you. But peradventure you have not or even been monetized to earn through YouTube directly, do you know that you can also make money by doing other things here on YouTube?
You can do it!
Nice.
Oh my god! Wow!
Let me explain myself. When I created this channel, I was not monetizing immediately, though it didn't take me a long time for my channel to get monetized. I was monetized in less than 2 months, and even before then, I was already getting a lot of leads that was generating me a whole lot of income without even me doing so much for it. All I did was to sell my digital products to them, and I was making my money from it. So apart from making money from AdSense, you can also AdSense, that is when you are already monetized. But if you are yet to be monetized, you can make money here on YouTube by selling your digital products. You can also affiliate products. You can become an affiliate marketer here through your YouTube channel, and you make a whole lot of money by just affiliating people's products. Like I've also made money by affiliating other people's products. All I did was to copy those people's products and I place it on my YouTube descriptions, and I've had countless number of people tapping on those links to purchase those products. And as people are tapping on those links to purchase those products through me, I am also gaining my own commission. There are some courses that I've affiliated through my YouTube descriptions that have generated me over 20,000 per each of those courses, per each person that taps on my link to purchase that product. Is that not a cool money for you? Which means that even without you being monetized, you can make cool money. And for as long as you don't even know the particular video in your channel that will go viral, it's a good it's going to be a good advice that you make sure you are attaching the links to those products in each of your videos. I have a friend that I think his channel was just having 28 videos when he got monetized, and even before, long after, this guy had over 1.8 million views in one of his videos. So imagine that this particular guy dropped an affiliate link under the description of that video. Think of how many people that would have purchased through his link. So another way you can also make money here on YouTube without even being monetized is by selling digital products. Like I told you that I have made over 600,000 from selling just digital products. All I did is to gather the lead and I sell my digital products to them, and it has really been paying me off even before I got monetized. Another way you can also make money from YouTube even before the monetization button appears in your analytics, you can also make money through brand deals. I've had over 2 brands coming to me to collaborate with them to help them promote their products under my channel here. though I didn't accept it. To be frank with you, I didn't accept the promotion, and the reason why I rejected the brand deals is because what they were presenting doesn't align with my interest. They wanted me to promote a kind of a betting site, and it doesn't align with my interest. I wouldn't want a situation whereby I drop a promotion link under my video and people clicked on it only to later lose some amount of money. So that is why I rejected that brand deal, even though that the money they were willing to pay me is actually worth it. But at least I have to put the interest of my viewers at hand before myself. So that was exactly why I rejected that brand deal. So imagine that the brand deals I received recently aligned with my interest. Think of how much I would have made from just those 3 brand deals that came my way. So you can also make money from just promoting people's brands in your channel even before you are monetized. So another way you can also make money from your channel is by running coaching services. If you are someone who can run coaching services in your channel, you can make cool cash from running coaching service. Personally, I have made over 300,000 recently by running private coaching classes for some of my viewers. So that's another way you can also make cool cash from YouTube even before you are monetized. Let's talk about how you also make money from YouTube while you are sleeping. When you upload a content here on YouTube, for as long as someone taps on that video, you are making your money already. Even if you are sleeping and someone decides to click on your video, YouTube is already generating money for you. So what are we saying? You see, you can make a whole lot of money from YouTube. If you are interested in me teaching you how to create a YouTube channel that even before you are monetized, you are already getting a lot of views and subscribers that you can sell your digital products or do other services, please let me know in the comment section. You know that most people, the challenge they do have is when they create their channel and they are not getting views. So if you want a video, if you want me to teach you how to create a YouTube channel that you will start getting instant views immediately you finish, you start uploading videos in your channel, please let me know in the comment section and I will do that for you. And if you found this video useful, once again, please don't forget to subscribe for me. Till I see you next time, this is Coach Emilia Davids. Bye.